Hi, so guys, I just want to do this little analysis with most of you guys. So literally, this my pairs. Let me show you on my watch list. I'm sure, yeah, all of you be like is trading BTC, DXY, Nasdaq, Gold, UJ, GU, Euro, GBP, and AUD, Like, how are you doing this? No, it's quite easy and simple. There's um there's one thing I usually say. I say master your setup instead of mastering your peers. Mastering the peer is good though. I'm not going to lie, it's good, but it means you have to be like if you're the one that is trading one pair, depends on what you're doing. You have to be like buying, selling, it's kind of crazy. So why didn't you just master a setup whereby once those setup come, you can easily just trade maybe like 2 or 3 times a week. And you when you're instead of you just waking up every day, Monday to Friday, looking at single pair. Yeah, it's well, everyone has their own life to live. So now on GU, quick analysis on GU and GU and GU. Okay, so on GU, I'm still looking out for sales. I'm still looking out for sales because yeah, I have this demand zone here. This demand here. Okay, let me not use this. Let me use this. Okay, I have this demand zone here that's just been mitigated once. And yeah, I don't see any structures for buy despite we having external liquidity above this year. Sorry. We have external liquidity above there. We have I think a little supply zone here. We have supply zones here. And we also have liquidity above that. So for G, I'm still thinking or I'm still believing price can you know push up here and clear here before coming down to this demand zone, because this is where um I love to see this zone mitigated fully before taking a buy or sell. Moreover, I don't see any structures for buys there because um no structures has been violated. If there had been a violation, probably like this year violated, come down, structures broken, yeah, that would have been a good indication for buys. But above that, we are still in this range, um this long term range. This is should be like how many days? Should Yeah, since on the 3rd of August. That's bad. So we've been in this range, buying, selling, all those. So yeah, it's good. It's good. It's bad because this zone has been touched multiple times. Like um, starting from starting from your this is okay. Yeah, no. This is the first touch, second, third, fourth, and I don't know where most people get this saying that um if a zone is being touched multiple times, it is a strong zone. That's a big lie. This zone has been touched like approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, like up to like 5 times. The zone is becoming weak, so definitely we are going to see a breakout from that zone. I don't know when. I can see it probably today, tomorrow, or anytime. There's going to be a breakout from that zone. So if there's a breakout, I'll look for buys. If there's not, I still look for myself. That is on G. On gold. Okay, gold. Let me see what's on gold. What's on gold? What? Nothing. Okay, on the 4 hours time frame. All right. So on gold, You can all see the structures for cells. If you're my students and you're here, so we have here, we have here, we have here, we have here. Definitely, or literally, we can see that supplies are in controls and demands are failing. Supplies holding, demand failing. Supplies holding, demands failing. So I'm looking at here. I'm not looking for the buys yet. I'm not looking for the buys because we still have this. We have this sell side to be taken out, or external range liquidity, depends on what you call it. We have this external range to be taken out. Prior to that, we also have prior to that we also have this little demand zone. I'm going to use the wick because the candle is a little bit um bigger than the, sorry, I'm using this wick because the wick is bigger than the candle. Sorry for that. As my demand zone. So we have here is a little supply zone that was mitigated yesterday, um, prior to the news. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Yes, the news. And yeah, I took a loss from here. I was looking at, I didn't really go deep to the 4 hours time frame. I was looking at this zone. Yeah, just this week. This was where I was looking out for that it was going to hold. Yeah, and I put a sell limit um around that zone. My stops was, I think, somewhere above this week, and I shared it to the group. Yeah, we got tagged in and our stops got taken out. But yeah, I learned from my mistake. I didn't really put my mind that price will reach this supply zone, and it sold massively. So I don't really know when this is going. Let me look at the. Oh, sorry. All right, all right, all right, all right. Okay. Oh, this week is too much. So I'll be looking at here to be as my liquidity zone. Then entries should be taken from somewhere there. Yeah, and I'll target this demand zone. That is on gold. That is on gold because the structures are still showing um bearish structures. No highs has been taken out. No highs has been taken out at all. So now on no, I'm not looking at that. On AU, on AU, on AU. On AU, we have let me look at the daily. Okay, price hasn't even reached my demand zone on the daily. Yeah, this is my demand zone. I'm sure most of you will be like, why didn't I use this little demands this year or use this? No, I'm not um I'm not interested in this zone. I'm literally interested in this one because this is where the momentum kicked in. This is where the momentum for buys kicked in. Yeah. So for this zone to have this long, sorry, sorry for that. Let me delete this. So for this zone to have this long buys, it has to be a very very strong zone. So that's why I'm using this as my demand zone. And price is still very 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 bearish. So on the 4 hours time frame, we have this supply zone that has been touched, or you can call it a flip zone. Yeah, you can call this a flip zone because we have demand created another supply. that is a nice zone. It's a very, very nice zone. But it has been mitigated. And let's look at this zone out here. I'm going to use this also. I'm going to use this little zone here. And yeah, I think, oh, and that has also been touched. But yeah, looking for cells, I will look from that zone. You can see how both are mitigated uh nicely. Okay, so that's what I'll be looking at for cell. All you just have to do is you just have to be patient and wait for the right setup. If you're not patient, you can set some limit orders um to this zone as 0.66180. Yeah. And most people are also looking out for buys. Yeah, the buys are also, enticing, but I'm not really, really interested in the buys. I'm not interested in the buys at all. I'm not interested in the buys. Or you can also look at this little demand zone here. I'm using the whole range. I'm using the whole range here. So looking out for buys here, should be looking out for this to be cleared, for this Asian load to be taken out right from there. Um, Once this low is taken out, probably you should wait for something like this. No, wait for other flow confirmations. Then you feel like going long, but I'm telling you, the long is very risky. Instead, I would prefer to go short here, whereby I'll be risking a little. Depends on what your risk is. No, we'll just be risking a little on the shorts here. So going long here from this zone, it's crazy. It's good. It depends on what, like I said, it depends on what you're risking. But I'm not interested in that. Instead, I prefer to go short here. I think that should be all. We've done GU, we've done gold. Oh, on USDJPY. Oh, nice, lovely. Liquidity has been cleared, but supply zone hasn't been mitigated. I want to show you guys that this is on a daily supply zone. So on the daily supply zone, it has not been mitigated yet. We have here as my daily supply zone that has not even been touched at all. We've only just cleared liquidity, but I would love to see this supply zone touched. That's just my aims. I'd love to see it touched. So once this supply zone is being touched, I think this should be my POI, point of interest, for take profits. Yeah, this should be my POIs once this zone has been touched. And again, being touched, I don't want you all to get the ideas that just because price has gravitated to this zone, you feel like I'm selling. No, I don't sell like that. Instead, I wait for it to be touched deeply, or I'll wait for other flow confirmation in the sense that I'll wait for structures, or what is it called? Change of characters. Yeah, change of characters. Yeah, I think that should be more specifically change of characters. Whereby this has shifted, all those stuffs, and so I think change of characters should be somewhere. Yeah, you have here as a change of characters. Then you have here as your what is it called? Um, Break of structures. So that should be all, guys. But for we in the community, in the ace trading community, we have here as order flow realignment, and here should be as order flow confirmations. So from there, I'll be looking out for my sales. But for now, you just have to be wait, patience, patience, patience. I don't know when all this. I can't even say when this will reach there. I just have to be patient, wait for price to do its thing before banging the hell out of this. So, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, or I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson. Just tell me what next to do. Stay safe.